Large language models have captured the world's imagination, changing how we think about the future of computing. We launched Bard as a limited access experiment on a lightweight large language model to get feedback and iterate. And since then, the team has been working hard to make rapid improvements and launch them quickly.
Google's conversational AI chat service, Bard, is currently in development, with the main distinction being that Google's service will obtain its data via the internet. It's intended to operate similarly to ChatGPT. Today, we're going to discuss all about Google Bard. Google Bard is the company's response to ChatGPT, although it's also different. At the present time, the chatbot is an experiment that gives you the ability to do everything from planning a birthday party and sending emails to answering questions on complex topics. You can even write with it now, and ultimately an AI image generator will be available thanks to Adobe. However, when you use Bard, you'll see a Google It button next to the answer that directs you to the search. Bard, like the majority of AI chatbots, can code, solve math issues, and assist you with your writing requirements. Google might soon begin using the entire internet to train its AI. In accordance with the recent policy change, Google will now use publicly available information to help train Google AI models and build product and features like Google Translate, Bard, and Cloud AI capabilities. Given that it might include both Google search results and YouTube videos that cast a very wide net. Bard functions as a conversational chatbot AI, similar to other chatbot AIs. In this setup, users interact with it by typing a question or making a request in the text input, and the AI, specifically Google Bard, in this case, proceeds to generate a response structured as a conversation. Google's Bard had a difficult launch, as demonstrated by a demonstration in which Bard provided false information on the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. For instance, if you ask Bard, "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about?" it'll look up the data it was taught with and provide you with an answer. In this instance, the response will be a few JWST findings that you can share with your child. However, be sure to confirm the details Bard offers. In a demo, Google used this scenario and grossly miscalculated the solution. After the highly successful introduction of OpenAI ChatGPT, which created the perception that Google was falling behind in the technological race, Google responded by developing Bard. Bard had the capability to disrupt the search market and potentially shift the dominance away from Google Search in the profitable search advertising sector. ChatGPT was regarded as a groundbreaking technological advancement during this period. Approximately 3 weeks after ChatGPT debuted, specifically on December 21, 2022, the New York Times reported that Google had taken urgent measures, referred to as Code Red. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google and Alphabet, revealed Bard in a press release on February 6. The language model for dialogue applications, Lambda, created by Google, which was released 2 years prior, served as the basis for the AI chat service, even though Bard was an entirely original concept. The most recent and most sophisticated large language model from Google, Palm 2, which was presented at Google I/O 2023, now powers Google Bard. Bard will be far more effective and capable of higher performance because of Palm 2, a more developed version of Palm that was launched in April 2022. Transformer, a neural network architecture developed by Google and released as open-source software in 2017, served as the foundation for Lambda. Curiously, Google claims that Transformer was also used to create GPT-3, the language model on which ChatGPT is based. The tech juggernaut revealed at Google I/O that Bard will no longer have a waitlist, making it accessible to everyone right now. On March 21, 2023, Google Bard's prior waitlist became available, and the tech giant rolled out access to a select group of consumers in the US and UK. As of July, Bard supported more than 40 languages, giving it a substantial advantage over ChatGPT, its main rival, which only supports English. The following languages are included in Google's comprehensive list of languages: Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, Czech, Danish, Dutch, English, Estonia, Farsi, Finnish, French, German, Greek, Gujarati, Hebrew, Hindi, Hungarian, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Kannada, Korean, Latvian, Lithuanian, Malayalam, Marathi, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Serbian, Slovak, Slovenian. Can we reverse the image search on Google Bard? Google launched a multimodal search in a round of improvements in July, enabling users to provide the chatbot with both word and image input. The Google I/O first announced integration of Google Lens with Bard makes multimodal search feasible. The ability to submit an image and request additional information from Bard or include it in the prompt makes this functionality useful. Images have been added to the answers in Bard. When you ask a question that would benefit from having a picture included in the answer, Google pulls out relevant images and displays them. When we ask Bard, for instance, what are some of the best places to visit in New York, it responds with a list of several locations along with pictures for each. A Google spokeswoman told ZDNet in a statement that the incident highlights the importance of rigorous testing process, something we're kicking off in the weeks with our Trusted Tester program. Numerous complaints were made about the chatbot's actual performance. In ZDNet's opinion, Bard also lagged behind more established rivals in terms of responsiveness, had a lengthier wait time, didn't automatically integrate sources, and couldn't answer simple inquiries. As opposed to ChatGPT and Bing Chat, Google CEO Sundar Pichai compared Bard to a souped-up Civic. Google's Lambda received criticism prior to the introduction of Bard. According to Tiernan Ray of ZDNet, former Google engineer Blake Lemone revealed in a document that Lambda might be sentient soon after its publication. After Google denied the sentience and placed Lemone on paid administrative leave before firing him from the company, the uproar subsided. The transition of Google from Lambda to Palm 2 ought to help many of Bard's current problems. Rewind to late November 30th, 2022, when ChatGPT was first made available. ChatGPT has more than 1 million users less than a week after its debut. The fastest-growing app of all time, according to research by the Swiss bank UBS, is ChatGPT. Google and other digital firms got into the action after observing this success. In the same week that Google debuted Bard in February 2023, Microsoft unveiled a new AI-enhanced version of Bing that utilizes a cutting-edge OpenAI LLM that has been specifically designed for search. Anthropic is an AI startup akin to Microsoft-backed OpenAI, and Google has invested hundreds of millions of dollars in it. In July 2022, Anthropic unveiled Claude 2, the updated version of their own AI chatbot. Google's AI plan does include some other facets in addition to Anthropic and Bard. Google also indicated the AI techniques would be incorporated into Google Maps at the AI event on February 8th, where Bard was launched. In addition, it unveiled a 1,000-language translation AI to go along with an existing music production AI called Music LM. Furthermore, it appears that Google is taking one of Bard's functions for use in Google Assistant. According to a source, Google Assistant might summarize articles using AI by simply asking, "Hey Google, summarize this." Given a text article or page, Google Bard can already perform this task. Nonetheless, this would significantly enhance the useful AI capability. Google has already disclosed that this capability will be added in an August 2023 update to its AI-powered SGE. ChatGPT didn't appear out of thin air. Chatbots powered by AI have been available for a while, but in less flexible forms. Numerous startup businesses have been developing comparable chatbot technologies, but without the publicity that ChatGPT has. When Bard launches, some of the rivals it will fight are Microsoft Bing, ChatSonic, Jasper Chat, UChat, and Nevia AI. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below.